turn on my car and this little sign here come up on the dash. So it's right here. You can see the little aisle can, you know, it's an aisle light, plus the wrench. See if you can get a little better the wrench, which means you need to change aisle. Is an aisle change light. So, and then you can see the check engine light also telling you got a problem. So alright, we're gonna change a aisle. So turn the car off. Drop the car up and got my little aisle can. So need to have something to catch the aisle. Can I let the aisle go on the ground? Like this in place. We gotta go up underneath the car. So this is underneath the car here. Now this, if you can see it pretty good, this right here is your aisle can. This is your aisle filter. You're gonna need one of this. You need this number. The store will know it once you give them the year and the model, the make and the model. So this is your aisle can. Alright. So once you find this pan right here, you need to find this bolt right here. That's why you're gonna have to pull. This one for me is my socket, 5/8 socket. You can use a spanner also. So it's tight. Now it's loose. Now we just gotta take it out. Now before you take it out, I can loosen it up some. I gotta put my little aisle can in the way to catch the aisle. So now, what you gotta do, take this out, trying to make sure I don't go on my hand. So, and there you go. Not gonna sit here and watch the whole thing drain. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's finished. Alright, now as you can see, that's almost finished right there. It's just barely dripping. So now we need to change the aisle filter. So we need to pull the bucket forward. Now I got one of these. I don't know if you can see this tool right here. It's designed to change it. If you don't have one, you don't need to go out and buy one. If you don't have one, take a screwdriver and drive it right inside here from straight through. Okay, this is no good anymore. This is garbage. So you drive take a screwdriver, a long one, big one, drive it straight through here. Go from one side, go to the other side, and then you can turn it. But I'm gonna use this little device right here. So I'm gonna go all the way and turn. There you go. Alright, so I got that. Pull my bucket forward, so now both of them can work at the same time. There you go. Now, yeah. Still got a way to go. I'm gonna put my gloves on so I can handle that more with my gloves. Alright. So Need to drain all of that oil inside there out also. Oops. Alright. While that's being drained, let's get the new one put in place. See the new one right here. So I like to wipe the surface off before I screw the new one on. So take something, a napkin or so, wipe on the outer edge. I wouldn't worry about right here, it's gonna keep dripping, but get right here clean. That's it. You take the new one, you just turn. You just need to get this one hand tight. You don't need to please don't drive the screwdriver in the new one. That would be real bad. And there you go, that's it. Now you push it back. And that's still draining. Still dripping a little. Alright, I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, get some more drain out. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back. Alright, so I'll give it a few minutes. Should be good enough now. So I can get my bolts. A little bolt, gotta replace this bolt. So you just need to push my jug out the way because I don't think I need that anymore. Take the nut, stick it in the hole, and there you go. So you just gotta tighten back the nut all the way, make sure it's tight. So split my socket the other way, you can move that out of the way 100% and tighten. One. Alright, that's tight. So that's all good right there. Alright, now I'm gonna go up top and put the oil in. Alright, now inside the engine. All you need is this right here. Then you take that cap off. Go. Don't know why the whole thing just came out, but it did. In my car, this car by the STP was on special. With the was a special, the oil and the filter for the same price, for a good price. So my car requires this. Safe 5W30. Your car may require different oil. You just gotta ask the auto parts store what brand of oil your vehicle take. They will let you know. And I got my little oil thing. It's to prevent spill. Now if you're wondering how do I know the amount my car take, when you buy your oil kit, oil and your filter, the auto parts store should tell you if you take just one of these or take one plus a small one. So, there you go. I'll leave that in for a minute, let it dry. So while inside here, I'll put my gloves back on. Figure while doing this, be a good idea to change air filter. Air filter is dirty. Then you get more oil, use more oil, and you get not so good driving. So put that back. You got filter right here. You got this little clip down, and there's another one right here in this car. Let me see if you can see it. Should be up underneath here, right here. Clip down, and you just lift this piece out. This screw, I gotta change this screw. Let's take this screw right here out. Makes it actually, let's leave that one and take this one over here out. I think it'd be easier to handle if you take it off from all the way back here. So release this screw. That's a clamp. Clamp is loose. Alright, and there you go. Lift the whole thing off. Pull this out. There you go. Pull the whole thing out. And it's not bad. But no, I think this is still good. But I'm gonna change it anyway. I already purchased a new one. It's good for better gas mileage and better driving. So I got two for two different cars. So now I gotta see which goes to which. There's actually a new one. It's the wrong one for this car. Smaller. So let's find the bigger one.